Okay, I want to review something I covered in class today, and that is how to add a graph in PowerPoint or Excel or Word. So we're gonna try to walk through the steps. If you're on a PowerPoint slide, your layout should include a content box. So this one that I'm on is title plus content. You've got these little grayed out icons. If you click on the one that looks like bars, it says insert chart. So we're going to do that. You can choose the type of graph that you want to insert. We're going to pick a line graph for this week's assignment. And you can choose the style of line graph that you like. Okay. I'm just going to suggest that you stick with a simple line graph. Then you're going to click OK. It's going to take a minute, and it's going to bring you up a little mini Excel spreadsheet. And this is where you're going to put your data that you're going to get from the slide about the links and the hair. So our x-axis is the manipulated variable, and our y-axis is our responding variable. So on this chart, the categories are your x-axis and the series are your y-axis. So the sample I used in class today was if we were going to look at enrollment in my classes over time by grade level. If we had 9th grade, 10th grade, and 11th grade. Okay, so you can see as I added that information, it changed it within the graph. So we're just going to make up some numbers here. I'm going to say I had an increase, in numbers every year in 10th grade, and I had a decrease in 10th grade, and then a little bit of an increase. And then my 11th graders maybe went from 45 to 35 to 60, like maybe I had a big jump one year, and then back to about 40 or 30. So you can see that the 3 lines were graphed according to the data. Your years, your time is down here, and your change in data is up here. The nice thing about doing this on the computer is that it automatically does your intervals for you. Okay, so you want to make sure the title of your chart is clear. So we're going to say change in enrollment over time, and then we're going to specify this is number of students, because you want to make sure that your unit of measure is clear. So if you were to go and realize that you did your numbers wrong, there is an edit data category here, or button. You can edit your data there. You can change the look of your graph if you want. You can, you got some different styles you can choose from. And again, if you want to do this graph on paper and pencil and just snap a picture of it and upload that, you can do that too. All right, I hope this helped with those of you who need to go step by step to add your graph to your assignment this week.